Good day, everyone. I'm not a chef, and today we will cook canned tuna 3 different ways. First is Tuna Orzo salad. Salt some water in a pan, then bring it to a boil. Add 3 tablespoons of orzo pasta to the boiling water and boil it for 6 minutes. Drain the orzo and put it in a bowl. Dice 1 cucumber into small cubes. Add to the orzo bowl. Cut the sides of a red and yellow bell pepper. Then dice them into small cubes. Add to the bowl. Cut 1 scallion into small pieces. Add to the bowl. Add 1 can of drained tuna chunks to the bowl. Salt, black pepper, cumin, chili flakes, olive oil. Squeeze half a lime and mix. Now we are making tuna and kimchi samosas. Drain 1 can of tuna flakes. Put the tuna in a bowl. Add equal amount of kimchi. And mix. Fold the samosa wrap like this to make a pocket. Use water to stick the wrap to itself. Fill the pocket with the mix. Then fold the samosa to close it. Then fry until golden. The last recipe is tuna and avocado on toast. Spread butter on a piece of square bread. Toast the bread. Add 1 avocado to a bowl. Smash the avocado into a paste. Drain 1 can of tuna flakes. Add the tuna to the avocado. Add salt, black pepper, chili flakes. Squeeze half a lime. Then mix until uniform, then put it on the toast.